If you are what you say you are, a superstar, then have no fear. The camera's here and the microphones, and they wanna know, the return. If you are what you say you are, a superstar, then have no fear. The crowd is here and the lights are on, and they wanna show,
a fresh, cool young Lou, trying to cash his microphone check 212. Wanna believe my own hype, but it's too untrue. The world brought me to my knees, what have you brung you? Did you improve on the design, did you do something new? Where your name in on the guest list, who brung you? You, the more famous person, you come through. And the sexy lady next to you, you come too. And then the hitman, standing outside of heaven, waiting for God to come and get me. I'm too uncouth, unschooled to the rules, and too gumshoe. Too much of a newcomer and too uncool. Like shadow in the veil, I battle with it well, though I need a holiday like lady who's on blue. Go back, whatever you did, you undo. Heavy as heaven, the devil on me 2 times 2.
If you are what you say you are, a superstar, then have no fear. The camera's here and the microphones, and they wanna know,
And you better wear your shades. The spotlights here can burn holes through the stage, down through the